Rachel's Game Day Eats does not have to be complicated. Recipes with Rachel is a food blog focused on simple, delicious dishes that busy families or people who do not really like to cook can make. This morning, Rachel is joining us live to share some must-have snack options that will have your Super Bowl party taking home a W. So thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me. This is fun.
I'm especially excited about this because I was telling you I've had a lot of wings, I've had a lot of dips, but my sweet tooth, I have not had my cravings yet.
Yes, and I'm a big savory eater, and so I'm all into the dips, the nachos, and all that kind of stuff. But then at the very end of the day, I always want to have something sweet. And so I made these. These are mini cheesecakes, and I love them because the filling, it's just a cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract.
So simple.
Yes, and these are mini pie crusts that you can actually get at any really grocery store.
Oh my goodness.
So you put these into muffin tins, cook them, and then this pie filling, actually, you mix it all with a hand mixer.
Okay.
And then you put them inside the pie crust here, and you can fill them all up. Really, you can do any option that you want here.
You're doing that pretty quickly.
I know. Well,
you're
all
like,
about quick. Oh my gosh, I have kids running around everywhere. It has to be quick. So then once you get all this done, you can actually do any kind of topping.
Okay.
But the ones I prefer, I do blueberry pie filling, and then I do strawberry pie filling, and then I actually candied some walnuts at home. You do like brown sugar, butter, some cinnamon and stuff, and then you just simply take the filling and then you just put it on top. And I like to just do quite a bit, and then I'll put it into the fridge, and then it really kind of gets solidified in there, and then you serve it at the parties, and it's honestly
fan favorite.
Yes, and I don't do graham cracker crust because that kind of gets crumbly if you pick it up, and so when you do this, you can pick it up and kind of walk around, have a little napkin or plate, and it's not falling all over someone's carpet.
And it's perfect, exactly what people want. And I like that you say someone else's carpet because this would be great to bring to a party, right?
Exactly. I put it in like one of those little cupcake holders, take it with me, you can serve it at home, you can put it on one of those little tiered things, give different options for the kiddos. If they don't want any toppings, the filling is enough, and it's really delicious. It's always a hit, and so they're super simple.
And I want to try it because I am bad. I've said this on the show many times. I'm bad in the kitchen.
Yes.
And while I'm trying this out, can you talk a little bit about your blog because you are a mother yourself?
Yes. So really the whole point of the blog was because I'm a full-time working mom. I have 3 kids and stuff, and so I created this blog to really simplify cooking. I give easy recipes, 30 minutes or less are usually the topic of it, and then I go ahead and give the ingredients. I have a lot of how-to videos on my Instagram, and so I'm able just to show people really simply how to cook because I think it's important to eat around a table as a family, and really the anxiety people have around cooking and also having to plan what a heavy lift all the time. So the blog really simplifies it, and I enjoy just showing easy recipes, and then sometimes, you know, I'll have a frozen pizza. You know, we'll order takeout and stuff, and then we'll sit as a family together. You don't always have to cook. But the key is just to, when people want to, there's a blog to go to that really simplifies it and makes things easy. So
exactly, and that's what we're looking for. Right? We already got enough going on, but of course we want to eat good food. So take a look at your screen there for all that information. Recipes with Rachel. And after you take a look at the screen, I'm going to have them come back over here because I'm going to take a delicious bite of this. I'm so excited. I've been eyeing it.
Candied walnuts. Love them. Yes. Right? Isn't it good?
Oh, babe, my sweet tooth is singing. This is wonderful. Chiefs, Eagles, I don't care.
Exactly. It's all about the food, guys.
It's all about the food.
It is.
All right. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
And we'll be right back.